true when I say so, say so, say so. Shoot it up, shoot it up.
Away, from the block. This shit be like this every day. This shit be like this.
And not 100 rounds. Talking pussy, get fucked, nigga gonna down. We got sticks on top of sticks that make that cannon sound. I'm pimpin' bitches, you can fuck, she pull the panty down. I got killer young niggas with the fed around. They'll chop your head out, they'll do it now. I'll take it one call, I can do it now. I just made that one call, I gotta get it now. I'm whipping, no flipping, no stretching, no serving that work. These niggas ain't seeing me. These bitches, they loving me. VVA bust down. Gang, there you go. And there you have it. I feel like water is running down my face. But there you have it. You feel me? There you got it. We got both ties off. Now we're gonna go ahead and install these. So with the end tube it. But yeah, so in the meantime, y'all make sure, oh man. Yeah, in the meantime, y'all make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. We got the tube right here. You feel me? So I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna show y'all how I put the motherfucker in and do all the other shit in just a second. So let me get this shit going. Alright guys, so we got the two end tube. These two end tubes. So you got front and back. Throw them over there. And the only reason I throw them right there because I gotta jump over this shit. And we gotta put air in the tire. So this tire, piece of shit. So, yeah, I put him right there. You know what? I don't need to put him right there. That guy has a mirror. I'm gonna put him right here. And the other one, the two rims right there. Them still got end tube in it. Both of them right there. Then this into and look, he got tape on it. Like somebody tried to patch it up. If y'all can see it, let me see. If I can make sure y'all can see it. Yeah, y'all can see that shit. Somebody really tried to patch it up with electric tape. This is not okay. And my boy Rock say, this is not okay. I don't think it was patch. They just probably didn't know what they were doing, so they put that patch on there because they thought it put a hold the washer probably. Crazy. But you don't know how to do it, man. Just act. And these are what we're finna throw on these guys. Yes, sir. Hey, you see, got another big ass chunk in that motherfucker too. Hey, man, y'all better stop being cheap, man. Go for real, buy that shit. Like, I recommend buying that type of shit, like, for real, dead out the stove. Like, not even out the stove, online, you feel me? So, you feel me? Because, I'm gonna be honest, them tires, they good. They good ass tires. That's a good ass name, man. What the fuck out of damn my iron? Oh, right there by my stupid ass. They good ass tires, but what I don't like about them, those that he got, is that they use. They gonna wear out fast as fuck. You can tell, look, I forget, that's the back one. I can look at the back and tell you how thick. I don't know, y'all probably can't tell how thick this groove is compared to these. So. But in the meantime, for the beginner, yeah, that's dope. But going back to this shit, why I threw them out there, cause y'all see the shit, what it's for. I got the jump, y'all. So we finna take our little leap, take our little step back, and we finna Superman that hoe. Hey, Superman that hoe. Look, here you go, let's go, one, get it. We made it, gang. So now back to business. We're gonna put some air in these motherfuckers. We got to put some, you gotta amp them up a little bit. You can pump them up hard as hell if you want to. You know, that's just up to you. If you want to pump your shit, ooh, we get what, gang? Why we in the car? What I'm about to do? I'm about to goddamn turn the AC on. I can work in the car right now. Yeah, this is what it's like working from home. I don't know if the camera shit right. But fuck that, I'm about to crank them motherfucker up. Cut that off, cut that off, cut that off. So, what we gonna do first? We're gonna turn the AC on. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do first, gang. Turn the AC on. I'm hot as fuck. Big hot. Yeah, gang, that's what we're gonna do first. We're gonna turn the AC on. After that, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do now. Oh shit. Let's do that. Just you and my shirt, gang. Oh shit, we got a 40-hour and shit. Woo! Alright. Yeah. Let's do it. So what we looking for? We looking for the air pump. Got air pump now. First air pump. Hey. I'm putting air in this shit. I need to put air in the car tire. My car ain't got no goddamn type of air anymore. But none. Look, let me get the camera now. Move this motherfucker around. We're gonna hook the air pump up. And so what we're gonna do, you know, I put this camera right here. Yeah, hey. What we're gonna do is, this is the first one. This, what the fuck is this? This is Western car number 1. Oh yeah, let me see the camera one more time. So look, check me out. Y'all see this shit? Well, little bro, you had both of these on top, like on top. So this one loose as shit. This one really hard. I just unloosened it. But when you buy the fucking tube, normally it's thick. But this would be tight, right? It be tight like I got it now. And this one sometimes will come like this. It don't even come together. It come like that so to let you know. You know what I'm saying? We know certain people know. But a lot of people don't know. So that's why people fucking up, you know. So, but in the meantime, between time, y'all make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. We finna hook they goddamn AC, what's the AC air compressor up to this shit, and we finna get the and boom, so we can get this shit back on and get the fuck on. You understand me? Yes, thirsty. God damn, gang, my shit. So, gang, look, we got the back one pumped up, and what I want to show y'all is, you see how this is factory now. This shit is hard. The bottom don't move, the top move. This how it come, you feel what I'm saying? So as y'all see, this is the back one, and this is the front one. And what we do is, damn, why I put the little stand piece in here. So what we do is, we put a little, no, that's another one. Oh yeah, so this one on the front. So, but yeah, what we do is, you put air in the motherfucker, so they let you know if you got a hole in the M tube. They let you know where you starting it before you even get started. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, you know what I'm saying? You put a flat inner tube in them. Yeah, you probably bought a factory, but they be having a little pinch in it and you ain't know it. You feel me? So I really don't need to put these. I don't know why I put them stems back on. So we really can wait to put these back on until after the whole process is finished. Cause even though I got air in them, I gotta take the air out. So I'm putting them right there in the door so I know to come back. So yeah, we finna get out the car. I need to crack my windows a little bit, car. It be hot as fuck in the motherfucker. I ain't lying. So, like I say, that's what I wanted to point out. I want to show y'all the way this is set, so y'all to know. Damn, there go my shoe. So, that's the front one. And here's the back one. So, like I say, that's the motion for now. We're finna go put this shit in there. I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all see it's pumped up. Y'all might think, oh, B, you got too much air in it to put it in the tire. How you gonna put it in the tire with that much air in it? Well, crazy, man. What we gonna do? Oh, look, wait, look, for the rain. Ooh, shit. But yeah, so what we gonna do, crazy people? We're gonna let some of that out. So, like I say, this was finna do. So, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm finna end it right here, and then we go throw it right back. Alright, gang, so I'm slick. Getting blown because I just left my gloves in the car. I think I gotta jump back up there. Jump back over that little puddle shit to get it. And that shit, that's what making me tired to move. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all see, like I said, we got the tires right here. I mean, the inner tube. They go the other shit. They go the wheel. And I'm a good mechanic. I normally wash your shit up, but I ain't doing all that. It's too hot. And that's my little soap and water. So, I'm gonna jump this shit. Let's do it. But I got that height on them, yes sir. So like I say, in the meantime, y'all like, y'all come and subscribe. They goddamn shit being my fucking ass, y'all. That fucking jumping shit. Bitch ass glue up wanna be way over here and shit. Hey y'all, these my daughter's shoes. My neighbor made them. They hard. I like that shit. They real hard. They hard. But yeah, I make sure y'all like, so come and subscribe. We got these bitch ass glue. Better drop this shit one more time. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Woo. I just don't want to follow. But yeah, y'all like, so come and subscribe. I'm finna get back to where we was at. Alright guys, so this back wheel back into Bumper attitude will have a facing direction, but no, it don't matter. It don't matter. What we gonna do? Go and stuff it in there. You know, stuff it into. That's how you leave it out here. Shoot when I say so, shoot it up, shoot it up.
I'm ready. It's really from a block away. Really from the block. Nigga, this shit be like this every day. This shit be like this.
And not 100 rounds, talking pussy, get bored, nigga gonna down. We got sticks on top of sticks that make that cannon sound. I'm pimping bitches, you can fuck, she pull the panty down. I got killer young niggas with the thread around. They'll chop your head off, they'll do it now. I'll take you one call, I can do it now. I just made that one call, I gotta get it now. I'm whipping, no flipping, no stretching, no serving that work. These niggas ain't seeing me. These bitches, they loving me. VVA bust down.